Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing as always. The time is around 4:40. Yeah, 4:44. Usually if I'm up at this time I'd be thinking what am I doing with my life, but not today because we are going for a pre-wedding shoot. It's not the usual shoot where we start at 10:30 in the resort usually, but today we are shooting in a place called Nandi Hills. If you are from Bangalore, it's 99% of the chance that you heard about it or visited that place. But if you're not from Bangalore, don't worry, I'm gonna take you there today and we're gonna have a super fun day. Tag along. The road is looking super scary. I'll show you. Check it out.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. So where are we?
We reached the check post.
Okay, so guys, the thing with Nandi Hills is they open the check post at 6 a.m. So a lot of people are waiting. What's the time now? It's 5:47 guys. So yeah, I think they'll open the check post in 10 minutes. And the good thing is if you're coming in weekends, the line is so huge. But today is not a weekend. Today is a Wednesday. Still the line is pretty big for a weekday, you know. So there's one tiny important thing that I have to do. I have to get a nap because I have a long shooting day ahead. I'll see you soon. I have so much fun stuff planned. Like I have to show you a ball. I got a ball. Balls? No, it came out wrong. I want to show you something which is round. Oh, that also came out very bad. But yeah, guys, I will show you something. Okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep now. Please turn off the light. So I was sleeping nicely, but my friend, she's not very comfortable driving in the Ghat section, so she woke me up and I think I am doing the Ghat ride. It's first time for me to drive in the Ghats, but you know, easy peasy. I'm liking the Ghat roads because I know for a fact that nobody is coming from the opposite side. I'm being careful, I'm not being very careless, but yeah, I'm liking the twisty, curvy roads. The two places curves are really good. One on roads and the other one I think you can. Hi, 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 hi. He's doing morning yoga. Still in the sleepy mood. Yoga. Play mood. Okay, they are gone. Bye bye. It's around 6:50. It's so cold, and it's my 15th time to Nandi Hills. There's one thing I really hate about myself. I'm always underprepared emotionally and physically. That's why I forgot my jacket, and right now I am shivering a little. Not too much, but yeah, coming to the topic. Did I tell you I really like balls? Playing with them at least.
Wait. Playing with the balls.
Yeah.
Game have, like balls. Cricket, one ball. Tennis, one ball. Rugby, football, everything has one ball, right?
Well, snookers, it has many balls. Duh. Okay, but that's not the thing. Today I want to show you one ball. It's called Crystal Ball, and I'm gonna unbox it to you. This is the ball that I was talking about. Got this ball for 1800. You know, it turns your world upside down, and it's a photography ball, if you can see. Yeah. So this is what we are going to use for today's shoots. Maybe a couple of pictures I'll get with this. And it also comes with a stand, crystal stand, and a cloth. This is the crystal stand on which you place the ball and shoot. Okay, yeah. And let me show you. Get the camera close. Show the, that's the fog, guys. Like, I don't have to be excited because this is my 15th time, but still, nature have a weird ways of getting into your soul and making things feel better. If there's one thing I can change about this place, I'd get a jacket and stop myself from freezing to death. That's it. We have a whole day of shoot ahead of us, so I'll go now and sit inside the car and warm myself up. I'll see you in a while. Bye bye. The time is around 12 o'clock. We done first half of the shoot. Now actually we took a room here, Mayura Lodge, and it costs around $2,500. And if you want to do full day shoot at Nandi Hills, it will cost you around 3,000. So one pre-wedding, it will cost somewhere around 6,000 if you include everything. Apparently a lot of people told me the views from this room are really good. I'm not gonna tell you how good it is. You be the judge of it. Come on. Come on, come on. This is the view that you get to wake up to every day if you book a room here. What you're gonna do is the first thing, remember, right? The circle, slow circle you will do.
This way, right?
Slow circle.
Yeah.
No, don't bring it close to him, okay? Always keep the safe distance. Okay, slow circle. The second one. Second one is. Before lifting, we had one more.
Yeah,
Turn. Okay, keep looking at each other. Okay. So that's the second one. Third one, lift her and okay. Start. 1, 2, do 4,
Again.
3,
One more.
4. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god.
So guys, we are done with the shoot at Nandi Hills. Right now we are going down to take some pictures and some videos at a lake, and I have to take some drone shots as well. So this is the final attire in sari, the traditional wear. So yeah, I think today's shoot went pretty well, and I've clicked some cool pictures with the crystal ball that I was talking to you about. Guys, we thought we were coming for a lake, but it was a swamp. But we are still doing some cool drone shots. I've turned on the bird and it's all set to fly. So yeah, it's somewhere around 6:04. I think we'll be shooting till the light falls. Somewhere around 6:30, 30 minutes more. After that we're gonna head home, have food and get some rest. I think it will take around 9 o'clock for us to reach home. So it's I think I woke up at 3:30 and gonna go to bed at 10 o'clock. Hectic day. So it would be super cool if you give me a follow on Insta. This is my Insta handle. Please do check out. I hope you'll have a great time there. I'll see you in the next one. You take care. Bye bye.